Welcome, little chefs, to today's adventure in the magical world of the kitchen.
Hello, young cooks. I'm Chef Whiskers, and I can't wait to explore the kitchen with you. Are you ready to learn and have fun?
Our kitchen is not just a place to cook, it's a laboratory for experimenting, a studio for creating, and a cozy spot to make memories. Let's start our journey.
Every artist needs tools, and in the kitchen, our tools help us create delicious dishes. Let's meet some of them. 1. Spatula, great for flipping pancakes or moving cookies from the tray to your plate. 2. Whisk, perfect for mixing ingredients smoothly, like when we make a cake batter. 3. Measuring cups, our secret to making sure we have just the right amount of everything. Ingredients are like magical items in our kitchen adventure. Each one adds a special flavor or texture. 1. Fruits and vegetables, the heroes of nutrition, full of colors, vitamins, and joy. 2. Flour, sugar, and eggs, the builders of cakes, cookies, and so many treats. 3. Spices, tiny but mighty, they can change the taste of a dish with just a pinch. Safety is our #1 rule in the kitchen. Here are some important tips. 1. Always ask an adult for help, especially when using the stove or sharp tools. 2. Wash your hands before and after cooking to keep germs away. 3. Keep the kitchen clean to avoid slips and spills. Now, for the fun part. Let's make a yummy fruit salad. You'll need your favorite fruits, a small bowl, a spoon for mixing. Remember, the best part of cooking is sharing it with those you love. Look at what we made together. Cooking is not just about food. It's about joy, creativity, and sharing.
And that's our adventure in the kitchen for today. Thank you for joining Chef Whiskers and learning about the wonders of cooking. Until next time, keep exploring and tasting the world around you. Remember, little chefs, the kitchen is a place of endless discoveries. See you on our next adventure.